Hi, everyone. My name is McMahon. I'm an advisor here at Sterling Commercial Real Estate Advisors here in Missoula. I'm here to talk a little bit about the state of the office market here in Missoula and just the state of Montana as well. Overall, the office market has continued to be very steady. This has been a long-term trend. We haven't really seen any huge headwinds or tailwinds in office. Our vacancy slowly crept up quarter over quarter. We saw very small increases. We started off the year just a little bit above 7%. Right now, we're kind of high 7% for vacancies. So, not any huge changes there. It's a little bit higher than the retail vacancy is, but compared to our national averages, we're looking really good. Nationally, office continues to stay around that 20% vacancy. So, around high 7%, we're actually doing very well. Another interesting trend that's continued in office is even though vacancy has continued to slowly increase for several years now, we're continuing to see lease rates continue to move up as well. And this has not been a new trend at all. I think this has been the continued, what we call the flight to quality in the office class. As people return to work, really employees are looking for higher quality offices that offer amenities, nicer build outs, properties that offer parking, nice lobbies, natural light, nice furniture. These are the properties that are being leased and absorbed. So we're seeing those higher quality product continue to drive up the lease asking rate. Another really interesting trend is just the demand for owner-occupier office. We've seen very little investment in the office sector this year. Overwhelming majority, almost all of our sales were really driven by owner-occupiers. So right now on the sales side, it's the owner-occupiers that are really driving the value of the office class, not so much on the investment side. Leading into office, medical really continues to be a resilient asset class here. Missoula is really well positioned for medical. We serve as a medical hub for not just Missoula County, but all of the surrounding counties. We have a very high percentage of medical here. Medical fits somewhere between retail and office where, they need the well-positioned, high visibility, they need easy access, but they fit almost more into an office type product category. But medical office continues to be extremely resilient, very high demand, a little bit more on the investment side, typically longer term leases, a little bit more premium rates. So they are attractive leases on the investment side, but medical has been a really appealing, very strong asset class. And looking forward to the construction, permitting, planning pipeline, looking at the demographics, kind of aging population here in Missoula, all the medical in the surrounding counties. You look at all of this data, and it really just tells us that it's going to continue to be a very in demand product type into the future, well into 2026, 2027, and beyond.